Hello and welcome to another video from War Secrets. Military drone technology is developing at breakneck speed and is having a revolutionary effect on the modern battlefield. Evermore, the images of the American involvement in Iraq and Afghanistan are dominated by drone strikes. In the recent Turkish, Syria, and Armenia-Azerbaijan conflicts, we saw tanks after tank being taken out by enemy drone strikes. Today, older model tanks in defensive positions are very vulnerable to drone strikes, and militaries are rushing to produce advanced drones for themselves. In this video, we will show you the top 8 military drones. Just before we start our countdown, subscribe to War Secrets and turn the channel notifications on to never miss any videos from us. Now, let's get started. Number 8. Winglong 2. Winglong 2 is a Chinese UAV product of the Chengdu industry, intended for use as a surveillance, aerial reconnaissance, and precise strike platform. The export version of this Chinese drone has already proven itself in several Middle Eastern conflicts in the hand of the UAE, while Pakistan and Egypt has also purchased dozens of them. It can carry up to 200 kilograms of laser-guided bombs and is capable of air-to-air armament. According to the manufacturer, its endurance is about 32 hours. Winglong 2 has a range of 4,000 kilometers and can travel a maximum speed of 370 kilometers per hour. Number 7. MQ5B Hunter. Designed and developed by Northrop Grumman, the MQ5B Hunter multi-mission unmanned aircraft has been operational with the U.S. Armed Forces for the last 2 decades, meeting all the standards set by the U.S. Department of Defense. The Hunter UAV is capable of carrying a total payload of 226.8 kilograms. It can carry multiple sensors such as electro-optical, infrared, and communication system, in addition to the external weapons such as Northrop Grumman Viper Strike laser-guided munition. Powered by a heavy fuel engine, the MQ5B Hunter has a maximum takeoff weight of 884.50 kilograms and a maximum service ceiling of 18,000 feet. The unmanned aircraft can reach a maximum speed of 120 km and endurance of 21 hours. MQ5C Hunter, a larger version of the MQ5B, is capable of remaining airborne for up to 30 hours. Number 6. Eads Barracuda. Threading through the realm of stealthy jet-powered combat drones is not easy. Not much is known about them, and even less is certain. Barracuda was designed by Airbus as a competition to other European drones program, and although it has neither range nor endurance of MALES, is more of a combat aircraft than anything above. Designed to carry 300 kilograms of precision munitions in its internal bay to be dispatched at a moment's notice before an enemy had a chance to detect the intruder. Barely anything is known about Barracuda beyond its maiden flight in 2006, and although the project may be discontinued, it definitely was the first European combat drone of its kind. Number 5. Biractor TB2. The Biractor TB2 reconnaissance and strike unmanned aerial vehicle, created by the Turkish company Baykar Makina, is in service with the country's ground forces. It is a modification of Biractor Block B and belongs to the class of tactical medium-altitude UAVs with a long flight duration. The drone has more advanced software and control systems than the Israeli Heron UAV. According to the foreign media reports, the Turkish ground forces ordered a total of 3 unmanned aerial system UAS based on this UAV. The UAS includes 6 Biractor TB2 UAVs, 2 ground control stations, power supply, and maintenance kits. The crew includes the commander, pilot, and operator on the onboard payload. UAV Biractor TB2 is equipped with an internal combustion engine, Rotax 912, with a capacity of 100 liters. The maximum flight speed is 250 km per hour, the cruising speed is 130 km per hour, the service ceiling is 7,300 meters. The body of this device is made using composite materials. UAV Biractor TB2 is equipped with an automatic takeoff and landing system. The device is equipped with a variety of cameras and surveillance systems, which allows it to be used for reconnaissance purposes. In addition, the Biractor TB2 is capable of carrying 2 anti-tank guided missiles and Rocketsan MAML or MAMC laser-guided gliding ammunition. The MAML system was developed as a laser modification of LUMTAS, long-range anti-tank missile system. It differs from the base version in that it does not have a rocket engine, and it is equipped with wings for glider flight. Number 4. Yabin United 40. The Yabin United 40 MALE aircraft, also known as Smart I-2, is designed and developed by UAE-based manufacturer ADCOM Systems. The aircraft is in service with Algerian forces and is locally named Algeria 54. The multi-mission UAV is capable of carrying a maximum payload of 1,000 kg, which includes sensor and surveillance system such as camera platform, synthetic aperture radar, and sonar. The combat drone features 4 pods under the wing for carrying ammunition weighing up to 400 kg. The unmanned aircraft also has proven for its additional fitment of external payload near the belly of the fuselage. Powered by hybrid turbine electric propulsion system, the aircraft can reach a maximum speed of 118 knots and can remain airborne for 120 hours. The maximum permissible takeoff weight of the aircraft is 1,500 kg. Number 3. Northrop Grumman X47. Although the United States had no shortage of stealth drone development programs since the 2000, Boeing Phantom Brave, for example, land-based X-74A and its carrier-based counterpart X-74B deserves a mention for pioneering and popularizing with the two X-47A's first flight in 2003. They had quite impressive capabilities. X-47B could carry up to 2 tons of armament and still take off from an aircraft carrier, but we're nothing more than proof of concept programs and are now discontinued. Nevertheless, all evidence points at the US Air Force adopting some kind of their more advanced successor, possibly supersonic, possibly combat capable, more definitely of the same flying wing design, but not much is known about them, save for some names. X-47's spiritual successor is more likely called RQ-180, but although it is used for surveillance at least since 2015, its combat capabilities are undisclosed. Number 2. Dassault Urine. At number 2 is Dassault Urine. The Dassault Urine is an experimental UCAV of the French company Dassault Aviation. Countries involved in this project include France, Greece, Italy, Spain, Sweden, and Switzerland. The design goal is to create a stealthy, autonomous UAV that can function in medium to high threat combat zones, and its intended purpose was to explore a prospect of delivering up to 2 tons of explosive and high threat zones and defending themselves from both ground-based and aerial adversaries. Urine's designs has an emphasis on functioning in autonomous cooperation with manned aircraft as a loyal wingman. Number 1. GAAS Avenger Predator C, US. The American company General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, GAAS, which is the developer of one of the main unmanned aerial vehicles of the American Army Predator, in 2009 released a modification of this UAV to be based on aircraft carriers. The payload compartment of this new UAV can carry 2 GBU-38 GDAM 220 kg laser-guided bombs. Considering the length of the apparatus of 10 meters, on the second prototype, the length will be increased by at least half a meter. We can say that the length of the payload compartment is approximately equal to 3 meters. Predator C, like the Predator B variant, is designed to carry around 1,000 kg of weapons and sensors. If stealth is not required for the mission, the weapon can also be attached externally to the fuselage and wings. Also, additional fuel tanks for 2 hours of flight can be installed in the payload compartment. In the normal configuration, the fuel is distributed 50-50 between the wings and the fuselage. The Avenger's electrical system are expected to initially be less than 45 kV amperes available on the Predator B UAV. The long, featureless underside also allows the installation of surveillance system such as the all-weather active phase array AFAR radar with minimal interference. The surveillance intelligence systems to be provided to the Air Force has not yet been determined. However, these systems will be fitted to special reconnaissance versions of the Avenger. The Lynx SAR all-weather radar will likely be at the bottom of the nose. The prototype lacks the EO IR ball used by Predator family. Perhaps a new retractable system was developed. Vertical V-tail deflects radar radiation and reduces the infrared signature of the engine exhaust. On the tail of the UAV, 2 servos are installed to improve flight control. The hump design of the engine compartment offers ample room for a snake exhaust, which eliminates radar monitoring of the engine. The engine has an S-shaped air intake and is cooled to reduce infrared visibility. The Pratt & Whitney Canada PW545B engine provides a maximum flight speed of at least 740 km per hour, but developers believe that they can achieve significantly higher speeds as a result of debugging tests. The UAV ceiling is 18,000 meters. Seen from above, the wing is 17 degrees swept, 20 meter span, and the edges of the tail are almost parallel. Similar contours are used on classic stealth projects such as the B-22 and B-2. That's all for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like the video and also share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. We will see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned to War Secrets. Bye!